You have to hold on to the video.
What do you think I'm doing? I got a double chin.
You fatty.
That's not fat. It's just how I'm laying right now.
Oh, it's not fat?
Uh-uh.
I don't have it. See?
But you're not laying like I am either. That's like a bullfrog.
How do I know what my password is?
Hmm?
I don't know what my password is.
I don't know. God, I look fat. Look at this. I swear I'm not really fat. It's just how I'm laying. Look how fat I look. On that phone. Stupid little device right there.
Hmm?